Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so this time we learn about inverse of a matrix. Okay, so this statement bla 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 ni dia nak terangkan if you have two square matrix A and B. Okay, so if you multiply both matrix A and B is equal to B times by A and equal to identity. Okay? So bila darabkan dua matrix ni dapat identity, so meaning that matrix A and matrix B is invertible. Okay, so B is called the inverse of matrix and A also is inverse for matrix B. Okay, so this one. Okay, so kita boleh tulis B ni bersamaan dengan inverse of A, or A is equal to inverse of B. Okay, so therefore if A is an invertible matrix, then the inverse of matrix unique. Okay, so dia akan ada satu sahaja inverse, dan lagi satu, if the matrix has an inverse, therefore it is non-singular. Okay, so dia tidak berseorangan, dia ada kawan dia sebab dia ada inverse. Okay, so ada juga matrix yang tak ada inverse. Okay, so method of finding inverse matrix A. Okay, so first 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so matrix A, B, C, D. Okay, is invertible if A times D minus by B times C not equal to 0. Okay, so A times D minus by B times C not equal to 0. Okay, so kenapa? Kalau dia sama dengan kosong, okay, so tengok ni dia punya formula nak cari inverse. Okay, kalau ni sama dengan kosong, so 1 over 0 is not defined, so tak boleh nak cari inverse dia. So that's why D minus BC cannot equal to 0 in order to have an inverse. Okay, so this one is the properties of inverse matrix. So A inverse, and then you inverse back, you will get the original matrix. Okay, a constant K times by a matrix K, and then you inverse, it is equal to 1 over K times by A inverse. Okay, so this one 1 over power of negative 1. Okay, so index, okay, become 1 over K. Okay, so A times B, and then you inverse, it is equal to B inverse times A inverse, so dia akan terbalik. Okay, so next A transpose, then you inverse, it is also equal to A inverse and then you transpose. Okay, so this one is A power of K, and then you inverse, it is also same as inverse first matrix A and then power of K. Okay, so example. Okay, so consider the matrix given A equal to 1, 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 3, 2, 2, 2. Find A times B. Okay, so A times by B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so it is equal to 1 times by 3. Okay, so row times by column. Okay, so 1, 2, row 1, row 2. Okay, so row 1 and column 2, row 1 and column 1, so row 1 column 1, so 1 times 3, 3, plus by 2 times 2 is 4, and then row 1 column 2, so row 1 column 2, 1 times by 2 plus by 2 times by 2, which is 4, and then row 2 column 1, so 1 3 times 3, 1 times 3, 3 plus 3 times 2, 6, then again, so 1 times by 2, and then plus by 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, so that you will have 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 4, 6, and then 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 tambah 6 adalah 8. Okay. Okay, so this is the answer for A. 7, 6. So 7, 6, 9, 8. 7, 6, 9, 8. So 7, 6, 9, 8. Okay, so next A inverse. Okay, so A inverse B. So A inverse is equal to 1 over 1 times by 3, 3 minus by 1 minus 1 times 2, which is 2. And then so ni terbalikkan 1 dengan 3 jadi 3, 1. And then this one apa jadi tadi? Mana formula dia? Okay, so D dengan A dia terbalikkan, and C dengan D sama je, C dengan D. Okay, so C dengan D, C dengan D sama, beza dia simbol. Okay. Okay, so C and D, so negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, so you will have 1 over 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 over 1, so 1 lah. And then here 3 times by 3 negative 2, negative 1 and 1. And then B inverse is equal to 1 over 3 times by 2 is 6, 2 times by 2 is 4. Okay. So that here, so terbalikkan 2, 3, and here is negative 2, negative 2. Okay. So equal to 1 over 2, 2, negative 2, negative 2, 3. Okay, so you will have here 1 over 2 times by 2, 1, 1 over 2 times negative 2, negative 1, here negative 1, and here is 3 over 2. Okay. So yang ni tak ada ni salah. Okay. So next okay, so this one already given A inverse and B inverse. Okay, so first 2A and then inverse. Okay, so macam mana? Sebab dia dah bagi inverse, takkan kau nak 2 darabkan dengan A, nak kena cari A dulu. Okay, so gunakan properties of inverse. 2A in bracket inverse is equal to 1 over 2 times by A inverse. So equal to 1 over 2, A inverse is already given there. So 2, 5, negative 7, 6. Okay, so the answer is 2 times 1 over 2, 1, 5 times 1 over 2, 5 over 2, negative 7 times 1 over 2, negative 7 over 2, and then 6 times 1 over 2 is 3. Okay, so next B. So B, okay, so same properties of inverse. A transpose inverse is equal to mana tadi properties, okay, inverse and then we transpose. Okay, so equal to A inverse and then we transpose. Okay, so transpose inverse, so we have the answer is 2, 5, negative 7, 6. Okay, so next C. Okay, so C AB inverse is equal to B inverse inverse. Okay, so B inverse 7, negative 0, and then A inverse is 2, 5, negative 7, 6. Okay, so calculate the answer. So we have 7 times 2, 14, plus by negative 3 times negative 7, positive 21, and then 7 times by 5, 35, plus by 3 times 6, minus 18, and then 2 times 2 is 4, plus by 0 times negative 7, 0, and then 2 times by 10, plus by 0 times 6 is 0. Okay, so is equal to 14 plus 21 is 35, and then 35 minus 18, 17. Okay. 4 plus 0, 4, 10 plus 0 is 10. Okay, so next D, tak muat. Okay, so saya padam dulu. Okay, so D, so A inverse plus B inverse and then transpose. Okay, so yang ni kena lah buat macam biasa. Okay, so A inverse plus B inverse, so 2 plus by 7, 9, 5 plus by negative 3 is 2, 7 plus 2 is negative 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, and then transpose. It is equal to 9, negative 5, 2, 6. Okay. Okay, so this is inverse for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so how about n by n matrix? Okay, so yang okay, so for this one, so first we need to write down the matrix A and then slash identity. Okay, so this one matrix A and then here identity. Gauss-Jordan elimination method to transform the matrix A become identity. Okay, and then from the I, okay, so yang I nanti dia akan transform kepada A inverse. Okay, so ni pun kita guna ERO juga. Okay, so tengok macam mana. Okay, so first one, okay, so we need to find the leading one for the first row. Okay, so we have already have here leading one for the first row. Okay, so therefore this one we make it become 0, and this one also same, make it become 0. Okay, so ini tadi leading one, so this one become 0, and this one also make it become 0. Okay. Okay, so to make it number 2 become 0, we use formula row 2 minus by 2 times by row 1. Okay, so kita gunakan leading 1 from the first row to make it number 2 become 0. Okay, so 2 minus by 2 times by 1 and put back at row number 2. So next for the row number 3, okay, so 1 minus by 1, so row 3 minus by row 1 and put back at row number 3. Okay, so therefore we have here okay, so 2 minus by okay, okay, so tak nampak, saya akan tulis ini 2 row 1. Okay, so calculate first 2 row 1, so 2 row 1, so I have here 2 times by 1 is 2, 2 times by 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, slash 2 times 1 is 2, 0, 0. Okay, so 2 minus by 2 is 0, first row didn't touch, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so 2 minus by 2, 0, 5 minus by 4 is 1, and then 3 minus by 6 is negative 3, and then 0 minus by 2, negative 2, 1 minus by 0 is 1, then 0 minus by 0 is 0. Okay, so for the third row, 1 minus by 1, 0, 0 minus by 2, negative 2, and then 8 minus 3 is 5, 0 minus 1, negative 1, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. Yeah, so next, so this one become leading one for the second row. So make it this one become 0. Okay. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so we use row 3 plus by 2 row 2 and put back at row number 3. Okay, so negative 2 plus by 2 times by 1 become 0. Okay, so objektif nak buat sini kosong ya. Okay, so saya tulis dulu 2 times row 2. So I will have here 0, 2, negative 6, negative 4, 2, 0. Okay. Okay, so I have here 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, and here 0, 1, negative 3, negative 2, 1, 0. So next 0, 0, okay, so 0 plus by 0 is 0, negative 2 plus by 2, 0, 5 plus by negative 6 is negative 1. Okay, so 5 tambah negative 6, negative 1, negative 1 plus by negative 4, negative 5, 0 plus by 2 is 2, and then 1 plus by 0 is 1. Okay, so next, okay, so next we make it this one become leading one for the row number 3. Okay, okay, so how to do? So times row 3 but with negative and put back at row number 3. Okay, so we have here, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, negative 3, negative 2, 1, 0, and here 0, 0, 1, 5, negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so next make it this one become 0, negative 3 and 3. Okay, so how to do? Second row, so row 2, okay, so negative 3 plus by 3 times by row 3 and row number 2. Okay, so for the first row, so same, so row 1, so 3 minus by 3 times by row 3 and put back at row number 1. Okay, so tak nampak kita buat kat sini, so 3 row 3. Okay, so dua-dua ni sama, so tak ada masalah lah. So 3 row 3, so 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3 times by 5, 15, 3 times negative 2, negative 6, then 3 times by negative 1, negative 3. Okay, so calculate here. So we have 0, 0, 1, 5, negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so 0, second row, so this one, second row, so 0 plus 0, 0, and then 1 plus 0, 1, negative 3 plus 3, 0, negative 2 plus 15, 13, and then 1 plus negative 6, negative, then 0 plus by negative 3, so negative 3. For the first row, so first row is minus, so 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus by 3, 0, 1 minus by 15, negative 14, and 0 minus by negative 6 becomes 6, and then 0 minus by negative 3, which is 3. Okay, so next make it this one become 0. Okay. Okay, so how to make it 2 become 0? So we use leading one on second row. Okay. Okay, so we have the formula row 2 minus by row 1. Okay, so minus by 2 row 2 and put back at row number 1. Okay. So lagi sekali tak nampak 2 row 2. Okay, susah sangat nak kira. So 0 times by 2 0, 1 times by 2 2, then 0, 13 times by 2 26, negative 15 times 2 negative 30, negative 3 times by 2 is negative 6. Okay. Okay, so row 1 1 minus by 0, which is 1. 2 minus by 2 0, 0 minus by 0 0, negative 14 minus by 26. Okay, so negative 14 is equal to negative number 40. Okay, and then 6 minus by negative 30, so 36, and then 3 minus by negative 6, which is 9. Okay, so next the rest is 0 1 0, 30, negative 5 negative 3, 0 0 1, 5 negative 2 negative 1. Okay, so this one identity and this one A inverse. Okay, so therefore A inverse is equal to negative 40, 36, 9, 13, negative 5, negative 3, 5, negative 2, and negative 1. Okay. Contoh yang lagi satu. Okay. So next example. Okay, so next we make it this one as leading 1 for the first row. Okay. Objektif seterusnya, so biasanya kita nampak sini, biasanya kita buat sini jadi kosong dan sini pun jadi kosong. Okay. Yang ni kita boleh terus buat serentak sebab kat sini 2. Okay. So nanti 2 tolak 2, 2 tolak 2 jadi kosong. Okay. So 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 become 0. Okay. So pun boleh buat sebab nak mudah, nak pendekkan jalan kerja. Okay, so formula dia first row, row 1 times by 1 over 2 and put back at row 1. Then for the second row, row 2 minus by row 1 and put back at row 2. Row 3 also same, minus by row 1 and put back at row number 3. Okay. Okay, so 2 times 1 over 2 is 1, 6 times 1 over 2 3, 6 times 1 over 2 3, 1 times 1 over 2 1 over 2, here 0 and here 0. Okay, so next row 2 minus row 1, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 6 1, 6 minus 6 0, 0 minus 1 negative 1, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. 2, next row number 3, 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 7 minus 6 also 1, so 0 1 1, then 0 minus 1 negative 1, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, so here negative 1 0 1. Okay. Okay, so here already have the leading 1 for the second row. Okay, so next make it this one become 0. Okay, so to make it this one become 0, so row number 3 minus by row number 2. And put back at row number 3. Okay, so 1, 3, 3, 1 over 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, negative 1 minus by negative 1, 0, 0 minus 1, negative 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. So next, here already leading 1 for the third row. Okay, so next make it this one become 0. Okay. Yang ni boleh buat serentak tak? So tak boleh, sebab dia dalam satu baris yang sama, row yang sama. Okay, so kalau nak buat serentak yang dalam kolom yang sama. Okay. So next, so to make it this one become 0, so row 1 minus by 3 row 3 and put back at row number 1. Okay, so 3 row 3 is equal to 0, 0, 3, 0, negative 3, 3. Okay. Okay. So here 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Okay, so the first row, row 1 minus 3, row 3. So minus 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 3 minus 3, 0, 1 over 2 minus 0, so 1 over 2. Okay. 0 minus by negative 3, 3, and 0 minus 3, negative 3. Okay, so next, make it this one become 0. Okay, for this one, row 1 minus by 3 times by row number 2. Okay, so kita gunakan leading pertama, leading 1 on row. Okay, and put back at a row 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0. Okay, so 3 row 2, so we have here 0, 3, 0, negative 3, 3, 0. Okay, so for the first row, 1 minus by 0, which is 1, 3 minus by 3, which is 0, 0 minus by 0, which is 0, and then 1 over 2 minus by negative 3, so 3, 1 over 2 plus 3, 6, 7 over 2, then 3 minus by 3, 0, and then negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 minus by 0, which is negative 3. Okay, so this one already become identity. So this one is inverse of matrix A. Okay, so therefore inverse of matrix A is equal to 7 over 2, 0, negative 3, negative 1, 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. Okay. Okay, so next, inverse of a diagonal matrix. Okay, so let's say D is diagonal matrix. D1, D2, D3 ni nombor bukan kosong. For example 1, 2, 3. So dia tak ada pun yang kosong. Okay. Okay, so therefore inverse matrix for the matrix D. Okay, so this one salah, saya salah type. So D inverse is equal to 1 over D1, 0, 0. Okay, so yang diagonal ni become 1 over D1, 1 over D2, and 1 over D3. Okay, so for the power pula, so D power of 3, K Okay, so ni pun salah ni. Okay, so this one d power of k. Okay, so is equal to diagonal ya, kita kuasakan. Okay, so d1 power of k, d2 power of k, and d3 power of k. Okay, so example. Dah nak habis dah. Okay, so example this one A. This is a matrix A, so find inverse of A. Okay, so A inverse, so is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So here is 1 over negative 3, and here 0, 0, and here is 1 over 2. Okay, so A power of 5. Okay, so is equal to 1 power of 5, which is 1, 0, 0, 0. Negative 3 power of 5 is negative berapa? 3, 9, 27, 81, 81, 3, 8, 3, 24, 243. Okay, and then 0, and 0, 0, and 2 power of 5 is berapa tu power of 5? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, and then A negative, A inverse power of 5. Okay, so this one also is equal to A power of 5, and then you inverse. Okay, okay, so tak percaya kita tengok properties of matrix. Alamak, dah hilang lah pula. Okay, so kita tengok balik properties of inverse matrix tadi. Okay, so this one. So A power of k and then inverse is equal to A inverse k. Okay, okay, so kita tengok yang tadi. Okay, so just now we have A power of 5, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, negative 243, 0, 0, 0, and 32. Okay, so A power of negative 5 is equal to A power of 5 and then negative 1 inverse. Okay, so it is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1, 0, 0, and then 0, 1 over negative 243, 0, 0, 0, and 32. Okay, okay, so habis. Okay, so that's all for this time. Okay, so jumpa lagi akan datang. Thank you dan assalamualaikum.